How to recover your Facebook account. So if you can't log into your Facebook account because you forgot your password, lost access to your email or phone number, or your account was hacked, this video will show you the official recovery steps Facebook provides. So first up, just go ahead and open up the official Facebook page in here. And also you can add this /login/identity. And in here, as you can see, you will need to provide the credentials, which are your email or mobile number, and then press on search. And after inserting these credentials, if Facebook finds your account, you'll be asked how you want to receive a recovery code, whether through email or by SMS. Select the option and click on continue. And then guys, you just check your email or messages and enter that 6-digit code Facebook sends you. And then you just create a new strong password and confirm it. If you don't have access to any listed options, click no longer have access to these. Enter a new email address you control and then follow Facebook's identity verification steps. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you recover your Facebook account using official tool right over here. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.